this is Danny from Lego Buff Productions with another episode of MOC Building 101. And today I'll be showing you the techniques of how to make this operational Lego fan. Now as I turn around, you can see it's actually a very simple mechanism. I have a few Technic bricks here, those blue ones with pinholes in them, a few axles, and some gears with teeth on one side, and the other side is flat, so you can go nice flush against the Technic brick. Now on the other side of this wall right here, connected to that axle, is the crank. And so when I crank this, it simply just turns the axle right here. So the axle rotates when I rotate the crank. Very simple. You can also attach a motor to this, or you could put it inside and attach the motor right here. So basically what happens is once this gear turns right here, it's going to hit the gear inside of here, which is connected to the fan on the other side. So when I flip it around, you can see that there's another Technic piece right here, and if we get up close here, you will be able to see that it rotates. You can see it rotating when I turn the crank here, so you see the axles behind it are moving, and then that in turn moves that Technic axle right here with the stud on the front of it, and then the fan is attached to one of those bricks with studs all around it, the modified brick, and then I simply just connect this Technic axle with the stud there right onto the opening on the fan on the back on that brick. So then when that Technic axle rotates, the whole fan rotates. So it's a very simple mechanism, like I said, and it can be scaled to a variety of uses. Now what you have to keep in mind is that if you want to have two fans right next to each other and you want them to spin in the same direction, you are going to need another set of these gears that will change the direction for it. Because right now, if I hooked up this fan right next to this one, going off of the same axle, that would be this axle, for example. If this axle connected right to here, then they would be spinning in opposite directions. So you have to have another one of these little gearbox things where it changes the direction. Very simple again. Right there. So then when I spin it, it changes the direction again, and then that in turn goes into the second fan right there, and then they can both spin in the same direction. So here's kind of a cutout version, so you can see the whole process when the axle goes into the gear there, and then both gears, the teeth collide, and then in turn they spin the axle with the fan on it. So that does it for this episode of MOC Building 101. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out my channel, so they're awesome Lego videos, and have a great day.